So now that we are in Amruna constituency, any plans of upgrading the PHC? Because normally they are understaffed also.
You see, that is the problem. You hit the nail on the head. It is understaffed. If I upgrade it, I require more staff. See, that staff I don't have. I don't have doctors, I don't have nurses, I don't have attendants. All these things have to be upgraded. And my personal department, ARD department and finance department don't allow these upgradations. Literally don't allow me to do it. Somehow in the health sector, ARD doesn't understand the need for doctors, the need for nurses. There's a ratio for how many people there should be, how many doctors, how many people, how many nurses. There's a ratio. But my ARD department overrules. If I ask for 10 doctors, they'll give me 3 doctors. That's what they've been doing. I've been complaining to the Chief Minister that your department is overruling the need of doctors and nurses and all medical personnel. Here the ARD doesn't have the expertise to overrule. You see, we are need-based. There's a sanction strength for all these things. Even for revival, they don't agree. For some reason, the post lapses. But if I send for revival, they reject. But in the healthcare system, you cannot do these things. Healthcare system is a different system. I would call it an emergency system. You require doctors, you require nurses, attendants, you require medicine. All these are required on priority. They treat it like any other department, LDCs or UDCs. They treat it that way. Doctors are not LDCs, UDCs. Doctors are specialized people for treatment. So they have to think about it as doctors. And that doctor मला 3 दिवस हप्ते नसता ना ते आणि 10 मला मग 10 दिवस आहे ते लोका खातीर ना ते तेका रेशियो हा तेका प्रपोर्शन हा. But for some reason they refuse and everybody signs on it.